Janet Castle is the founder of Eagle Synergistics, and she's specialized in optimizing sites for most of her career. Janet and the rest of the Eagle Synergistics team is very passionate and emphatic that they do their part to help fix the world's groundwater contamination sources and protect the health of our communities and environment. High-resolution site characterization tools have been around for a long time, rapidly evolving over the last few years. Many companies have begun to include ancillary services such as HRSC as a path to becoming the forefront in site remediation. At Eagle Synergistic, they have prioritized high-res tools as their expertise, purposely keeping their goal precise. The safety of our world and public health has been compromised by contaminated water, and their goal is to help restore it. They'll work to utilize HRSC technologies to, quote, see contamination plumes in order to help you efficiently remediate your site. They'll take the guesswork out of it, and with their services, you'll save time and money up front.